doesn't take up any counter space, and there's no need to lean over the sink when you're using it. I think it was really easy to install.
Is a water flosser that uses the pressure from the shower head to floss your teeth. So it's a lot more effective, but a lot more gentle than traditional flossing.
It's already in the shower, so I don't care if I'm getting messy or wet. And then I just kind of go, and it's great. And then I'm out of the shower and I've totally flossed and feel clean all the way around, starting from my head to my toes.